Alright, look what I got right here. Some beef back ribs. Ooh, it's going to be delicious when they're done. I did go ahead and I seasoned them with the Salt Licks BBQ Rub. I love that barbecue rub, especially on beef. So that's what I hit it with. And I did remove the membrane in the back. I just left it alone because, you know, the meat's going to pull back a lot on the bone. And these are pretty good sized bones, so I wanted to keep it intact. But if, you know, it's your choice. If you remove the membrane, go ahead and remove that membrane. And you know, how they say, remove the membrane, the smoke will better penetrate the meat. But hey, it is what it is. Maybe on this Bronco you want to do that, since the smoke, as you see, is coming up. So it's going to hit from the bottom. I'm not going to hang him. I'm going to lay him down. Alright, I'm going to keep the temp of the Bronco at 250. You know, that's my favorite number right there when it comes to the Bronco. Keep it at 250. And so I'm going to let it sit in the Bronco about 4 hours, and then at the 4-hour mark I'm going to check it and see what they look like. And then I'm probably going to do a full bolt wrap. So you know, get that pull back on there pretty good, and also keep the bark, you know, the real good bark crispy, not, you know, get all wet and soggy if you were to, you know, wrap it. But so that's pretty much the plan for this right here. And man, 2025, I took January off, but hey, I'm back. It's February. I'm back. So let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to take this clip off right now because I'm going to clean it. Yeah, get off all that leftover. And I tell you, this Bronco, if you don't got a Bronco, get yourself a Bronco. You won't be disappointed. I'll tell you that much. Watch my videos on my Bronco. I got plenty of them. Show you what this Bronco can do from smoking, hanging your meat, to grilling. Can do it all. So yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna place it right there, right in the middle. I'm gonna put this back so I can keep watch on the temp. So I'm gonna close it up and then let's get to cooking. The beef back ribs have been on for 3 hours, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna check it right now, see what they look like, and check the temp. I'm pretty sure they're like at probably 160, 170. Look at that. Oh man, that is nice. See, that's why I wanted to check, because I was having that gut feeling that they were gonna be looking good. Got some nice pullback, the bone. Nice. Yeah, so remember, when you're gonna check, you gotta make sure you get in between the bones. Right here's the bone, bones right here, bones right here, so you see the meat sticking up. See, meat sticking up. Yeah, let's check this one out. This one's at 179, see, so, and it felt good when I stuck it in. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what, I don't even know if I should even wrap them. I mean, I could just let it go for like this for right now, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna let it ride. I want to do the foil bolt, but now I'm just gonna let it ride. Yeah, looking good. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check back within another hour. 4 hours in. Oh yeah, I got more pull back on the bone, so you can see it. That's looking good, man. I could eat it right now. But where is it at? 174, 75, 77. So let's see. Yeah, so we need some more still. That hit bone right there. Yeah, so this part feels good, but I need a little more on this side right here. But yeah, they're looking good. I say 1 more hour, which technically I probably could wrap them, you know, do the foil boats. But we'll see. I'll let it go for another hour, but man, they looking good, don't you think? All right, well, bring it back. It is hot out here. It's warming up, but we're 5 hours in this cook, so I want to see what the beef apples look like. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, looking good. So we got that. It's 185. Alright, so as you see, we're getting up there. Other parts of the ribs are hitting at close to 200, while the other sides hit 185, close to 190. So I'm gonna let it roll for a little bit more. As you can see, it's still got some pullback on there, but there's still some meat on, so I'm gonna let it ride like that. Just let it go. I got all time right now. I'm just chilling, having a good time. Maybe surprised, but no drinking. But I'm cooking, so that's what's great. So let's continue on. I'm gonna check maybe close to 45 minutes to an hour. So we'll see. All right. So let's get to it. All right. Well, I gotta tell you, they're done. Oh man, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You see some bone right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna take them off, wrap them up with some butcher paper lightly, and let them rest, and with some towel and a ice chest, and then I'll slice into it. So this was a real good cook. Turned out to be 6 hours and 30 minutes. So recap, kept it around 250. Sometimes it went up, sometimes it went down, but that's how it is when, you know, the charcoal is igniting throughout the whole process of cooking. But it stayed at the temp around where I wanted it to be. But oh, it smells so good. It looks beautiful too. I mean, it really does. Beautiful. So let's give it a bite. Oh man, I had to give it more bites. Oh, oh, that is delicious. My God. I'm just gonna eat this right in front of y'all. Is that alright? Look at that. Man. And this was a USDA choice. Right, bro. Oh man, this is. Oh man. I think I'm gonna finish this and just bite off the bone. I mean, just bite the bone. It's so flavorful. Man. But yeah, beef back ribs. They are delicious, delicious, delicious. Damn. So, you got the Bronco or any other grill or smoker, get you some. Smoke them. I did at 250. You want 225 or higher? Your choice. use whatever you want. Lump, charcoal, wood, whatever you prefer. Remember, this is your grill. This is the way you cook. So, but I'm gonna let you go. I gotta go. I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna go eat some more. Man, they. All right. So, as always, thanks for by. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Oh, this is legit. Oh yeah.